41 Surprising Uses for Vicks VapoRub. Did you know that Vicks VapoRub does much more than just relieve congestion? This menthol ointment, found in almost every grandmother's medicine cabinet, has countless uses that can make your life easier both inside and outside the home. Today I bring you 41 ways to use it so you can take advantage of all its properties for health, home cleaning, and garden care. Before we begin, remember to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our homemade tricks. And tell me in the comments, what do you use VapoRub for? Let's start. 1. Balm against night cough. Apply a generous layer to your chest and back before bed. The menthol and eucalyptus produce a warming sensation that relaxes the bronchial tubes, reduces throat irritation, and helps you sleep without coughing. 2. Inhalation decongestant. Dissolve a teaspoon in a bowl of very hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for 5 minutes. The mentholated vapor dilates the nasal passages, thins mucus, and immediately relieves sinus pressure. 3. Tension headache reliever. Rub a little on your temples, forehead, and neck in a circular motion. The penetrating aroma of camphor promotes superficial vasodilation and relaxes the muscle tension that often causes cervical headaches. 4. Massage for sore muscles. After exercise or a day of physical work, gently massage VapoRub into your calves, shoulders, or lower back. Its essential oils improve circulation and provide a cooling and analgesic effect that reduces muscle soreness. 5. Cracked heel softener. Before going to bed, apply it to clean, dry heels, put on cotton socks, and leave it on overnight. The next morning, your skin will feel more supple. The combination of petroleum jelly and eucalyptus moisturizes and promotes regeneration. 6. Treatment for nail fungus. Apply twice a day to the affected nail and cover with a breathable bandage. Home studies show that thymol and menthol inhibit the growth of dermatophytes, helping to fade the yellow color and thickening. 7. Fast relief for minor cuts and scrapes. Clean the wound, dry thoroughly, and cover with a thin film. The occlusive layer prevents bacteria from entering and, thanks to the menthol, provides a light anesthetic that relieves the sting without the need for additional ointments. 8. Personal mosquito repellent. Apply it to your ankles, wrists, and behind your ears when you're out in the countryside. The intense eucalyptus scent interferes with mosquitoes' olfactory receptors, making you harder for them to detect. 9. Insect bite soothing. If you've already been stung, place a tiny dot on the area, let it penetrate, and you'll notice how the itching and inflammation decrease. Camphor acts as a rubefacient and distracts the nerves from the itching sensation. 10. Emergency lip balm. When you don't have cocoa on hand, use a small amount to seal in moisture for your dry lips. The petrolatum base creates a protective barrier, while menthol provides a gentle cooling effect. 11. Anti-inflammatory for bumps and bruises. Apply with a gentle massage to the injured area, preferably after applying ice. The cold-heat contrast improves local circulation and can reduce the characteristic purple hue of bruises. 12. Compress for earache. Gently warm a teaspoon, not hot, soak a cotton ball, and place it at the entrance of the ear canal without applying pressure. The menthol vapor helps reduce inflammation and provides temporary relief until you see a doctor. 13. Natural foot deodorant. Apply to the sole of your foot and between your toes before putting on your shoes. The essential oils fight odor-causing bacteria and keep you feeling fresh for several hours. 14. Relief from gas and abdominal cramps. Here's the famous old-fashioned trick. Gently massage VapoRub onto your stomach in a clockwise, circular motion. The local heat relaxes your intestinal muscles, and the minty aroma can reduce the feeling of bloating. 15. Gentle decongestant for babies. For children under 2 years of age, doctors advise against applying it to the chest. Instead, rub it on the soles of the feet and cover them with socks. The rising steam unclogs the nose without irritating the airways. However, it is always best to ask your pediatrician's opinion first. 16. Odor eliminator in garbage cans. Wash the bucket, dry it, and rub VapoRub on the bottom and inside walls. Its minty scent neutralizes odor residue between bags. 17. Instant homemade air freshener. Place a tablespoon in a jar of very hot water and place it in the room. The steam perfumes the air with eucalyptus without resorting to synthetic sprays. 18. Shoe and boot deodorant. Place a cotton ball soaked in VapoRub inside your shoes overnight. By absorbing odor, your shoes will be ready for another day in the morning. 19. Chrome surface cleaner. Spread with a soft cloth on stainless steel faucets, knobs, or utensils. VapoRub lifts light dirt and, when polished, leaves a shiny, water-repellent film. 20. Wood furniture polish. Apply a very thin layer to the clean surface, let it sit for 5 minutes, and buff. The oils nourish the wood, enhance its color, and hide minor scratches. 21. Crayon mark eraser on walls. Spread a little on the stain and rub with a damp cloth. The oily component dissolves the wax without lifting the paint, saving the walls after the kids' art session. 22. Squeaky hinge silencer. A dab on each hinge, move the door a few times, and enjoy the silence. It works just like all-purpose grease, but smells much better. 23. And barrier. Draw a thin line on windowsills or baseboards. The strong scent disorients scout ants, who return to the nest without leaving a trace of pheromones. 24. Furniture protector against naughty cats. If your cat always scratches the same corner of the sofa, spread a little VapoRub there. Most cats dislike the minty smell and will look elsewhere, ideally their scratching post. 25. Pet urine odor eliminator. Clean the area, dry thoroughly, and rub a thin film. The eucalyptus neutralizes odor and helps deter your pet from marking that area again. 26. Natural refrigerator deodorizer. Place a saucer of VapoRub on the top shelf. Its mild antibacterial action and intense fragrance counteract cheese, onion, or fish odors without the risk of contaminating food. 27. Aphid repellent in the garden. Mix 1 teaspoon in 1 liter of warm water, shake, and spray on the leaves. Aphids hate menthol and abandon the plant, so you can avoid chemical insecticides. 28. Shield against snails and slugs. Draw a small circle of VapoRub around the stem of your young plants. Slugs will stay away because the oil blocks their progress and is unpleasant for them. 29. Stray dog repellent. Apply small doses to the outside of your fence or posts where dogs urinate. The pungent scent discourages dogs from approaching or marking their territory. 30. Soothing itchy hands after gardening. After pruning or handling plants that irritate the skin, wash your hands, dry thoroughly, and massage in VapoRub. The menthol soothes itching, and the petroleum jelly seals in moisture. 31. Relief for minor sunburns. If you overdo it while sunbathing, spread a thin layer over your reddened skin. It cools, moisturizes, and helps reduce the burning sensation while your skin heals. 32. Gardening glove conditioner. If your leather gloves are stiff, coat the inside with VapoRub and let them sit overnight. The next morning, the leather will be more supple and protected from moisture. 33. Adhesive label remover. Cover the label with VapoRub, wait 3 minutes, and peel it off. The oil loosens the adhesive, so the label comes off without a sticky residue. 34. Skin protector when painting. Apply a thin strip of oil to your hairline, ears, and neck before applying dye or color. Stains slide off the Vaseline and are easily removed with water. 35. Air freshener for stored suitcases. Place an uncapped jar inside the suitcase or box you'll be packing. When you open it again months later, it will smell fresh and ready for your next trip. 36. Quick anti-fog for glass. Rub a tiny layer on bathroom mirrors or windshields, then buff with a dry cloth. It will form a repellent film that prevents condensation for several days. 37. Headlight insect screen. Before a trip, lightly coat your car's headlights. Bugs will hit them, but the VapoRub will prevent them from sticking. Just wipe them with a damp cloth afterward. 38. Helmet and cap deodorant. Place a cotton ball soaked in the area where your forehead rests and leave it overnight. It absorbs moisture and neutralizes sweat odor without damaging the foam inside. 39. Rodent repellent in the pantry. Sprinkle a little in the corners behind the bookshelf. The strong aroma irritates mice's sensitive sense of smell and convinces them to look elsewhere for food. 40. Relief for poison ivy irritations. Gently apply to the affected area after washing with soap and water. Its cooling action reduces itching and creates a barrier while the skin reduces inflammation. 41. Relaxing for tired feet. Add a tablespoon to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 minutes. The menthol stimulates circulation, the petroleum jelly softens the skin, and the aroma clears the airways, a complete home spa. As you can see, Vicks VapoRub is much more than a simple cold ointment. With just one jar, you can take care of your health, eliminate odors, protect furniture, and even keep garden pests at bay. Remember, these are old-fashioned remedies and are not a substitute for medical advice. If you have persistent symptoms or allergies, talk to your healthcare professional. Which of these 41 uses surprised you the most? Do you know any additional tricks we haven't mentioned? Share them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate notifications to keep discovering tips that will make your life easier, cheaper, and healthier. See you next time.